So I just finished straightening this wall here, and it happens quite a lot that in old apartments you have to make the best from bad situation, as I did here. Just your goal is to make it better. Sometimes you can't make it perfect, and in this case, I had this wall. I removed the old drywall because it was quite crooked, so it went something like that. It had a large bow in the middle, and it was quite loose actually, so if you pressed against it, it went away from you. So all these boards were quite loose, so I added some extra screws and I made it as straight as possible. I also added some metal corners on top because all this was, there was nothing to hold it. And on top of these horizontal boards, I laid these vertical boards. So now the structure is much stronger. And the second thing to notice here is this insulation. So it was, let's just say that it's not installed as it should. So I'm trying to add some insulation where necessary, and just try to make it better. So the next job on the list is to deal with this wall here. As you can see, here is the old door. I will replace it with the new one, and I have to make this structure stronger as well. So someone who did it in the past, I don't know if they were out of material or what was the reason, but it's, as you can see, there is one stud here and the second one over there. So there's nothing in the middle except these quite thin boards. I think it's maybe 1 inch. So I need to remove these boards here. I will remove and replace this insulation as well. I want to install it a bit better.